This is a boat that came in that was filling up with water, and anyway, when someone gets in there and builds a nest in the boat and the bilge pump quits working, starter gets underwater, so we replace the starter. Can't find any reason there's water getting in there, but at least now the bilge pump works. And anytime you have a boat with stuff like this, just debris in the boat, it's good to vacuum it out so it doesn't clog up the bilge pump. Go ahead and start her up. Inside the boat that's causing it to fill up with water. Not really sure why it was taking on water. Pumping good water. Bellows seem to be good. Nothing back there.